We offer a lot of exciting technologies here at the Pottstown Cancer Center in the Radiation Oncology Department. We have access to the leading edge radiation therapy equipment and a linear accelerator with image-guided radiation therapy, with which we're able to treat all matters of cancer types. We also have an extraordinarily exciting piece of equipment called stereotactic radiosurgery using the CyberKnife stereotactic radiosurgical platform. This is a piece of technology that enables me as your radiation oncologist to deliver extremely high doses of radiation therapy to precisely defined volumes within the body and minimize treatment to the normal surrounding tissues. In this way, we're able to deliver treatments in a handful of fractions or treatments as opposed to weeks. We're also able to appreciate less in the way of side effects because of this. So higher doses, less side effects, and better control rates, and more convenience to the patient. All this is available to all the patients here in the Tri-County area in the convenience of their own backyard. CyberKnife is something that is not available anywhere within a 50-mile radius. So it's a very exciting piece of technology that we're happy to be able to offer to our patients here and to patients outside of our catchment.